Hi and welcome back. My name is David, and in this video I'll show you how to separate or ungroup video and audio in Kdenlive. Let's begin. So I've got my video here and let me just drag it onto Kdenlive. We can switch the profile to HD, that's okay. And for this video I'm using Kdenlive 21.12.3, so that's okay. Let's just drag our video here onto the timeline, and let's assume you have this video and it has this audio track. Let's play it. Let's say you wanted to remove this particular audio track. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is just right click on this track, click on Ungroup clips, and once you do that, these two clips will be separate. So when you select the video, it's separate from the audio. So I've selected the audio, and if I wanted to remove it, all I need to do is just select it and press on delete, and the audio is gone. If you had an alternate audio, let's say a background music or whatever, or maybe narration, then you can just drag and drop it here and use it in this particular section. So that is how you can quickly separate or ungroup audio and video in Kdenlive. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.